Kordia has a history of partnering with leading vendors, and we've identified Microsoft in this space as absolutely leading.
Microsoft Lync technology is really going to change the way that people and organizations work. It's going to change how they talk, communicate, conference, and it's going to change the economics of telecommunications for New Zealand organizations.
So it changes your workstation into a productivity tool at the end of the day, because you can work from anywhere you want. In order to do that, you need to have a network that enables reliability, stability, and you need it on a constant basis. Voice is very, very particular, voice and video, very particular on the quality of the network.
What we do is we engage with Kordia and a third-party test organisation who have a set of strict criteria around test cases that must be passed before any solution can be qualified with Lync server. So that really gives that end-to-end assurity around support for the customer and making sure that the service does work as advertised.
So for Lync to be as impressive as it is, it needs to have a very, very solid network sitting behind it, and OnKor provides that. Not only is it reliable, because we've done broadcasting for all of our lives, but it is engineered in such a way that you can prioritize exactly what pieces of data do you want to go at what particular time.
You can't mess around with voice. You've got to make sure that every packet is delivered in the right order at the right time. Our network is specially engineered to make that happen really well.
What Kordia have done is they've spent significant time and money, and they've become one of the first providers in Asia Pacific, the only network provider in New Zealand at this stage that has actually passed all the testing and certification requirements to be Microsoft Lync certified for SIP.
Having our network certified for SIP on Lync kind of removes any nervousness that a CIO should have about implementing Lync on Kordia's network. And I think that's been the key. That gives us a global standard. Customers can feel really confident that Lync's going to work very well. And Kordia is very confident that Lync as a product will deliver the value that, that customers want to get from it.
Here's my recommendation. If you're a CFO or a CIO, you cannot afford not to look at this stuff. Evaluate it. Look at it. Microsoft, we've got the workshop rooms here available. You can see it in action. Kordia will show it to you and how it works. Just simply check it out, do the numbers, evaluate it, and see if it makes sense for your business.